Slips are sneaky. They can come in the most unsuspecting way. They happen even in our day-to-day life. When you're taking a sip from your water bottle and it falls out of your hand, or when you awkwardly slide into an elevator and no one is there to catch you. But in construction, the case is different. Construction workers are exposed to extreme construction hazards, which can result in harm or even death. Every year, thousands of construction workers are injured due to slips, trips, and falls on a construction site. Approximately 1,000 of these injuries include a builder breaking bones or dislocating joints. And one wrong move, a worker could suffer in some serious injuries such as head or brain injury, wrist, hip, and ankle fractures, back and spinal cord injuries. What do you think causes slips? These are wet floors, lack of friction, scattered objects, or trash on the floor, uneven surface, and wearing unsuitable footwear. Speaking of wearing unsuitable footwear, one important thing you should consider to keep yourself away from slipping is footwear, as it plays a big role in preventing costly and dangerous slips, trips, and falls. Here are some of the tips that you need to consider in buying the right footwear. To keep your feet from slipping and to prevent injuries, it's important that you wear the right shoe. For instance, rubber-soled shoes are more slip-resistant than the leather ones, but they can't be worn in water because of their porous nature. To avoid slips on slippery surfaces such as ice or wet floors, make sure footwear has gripping soles like those with a diamond pattern design for stability on all types of flooring material, even carpet. Always make sure that the soles of your shoes or boots are not worn out. Remember, even the most slip-resistant footwear gets worn out over time. Keep your shoes and boots free from mud or any other foreign object. These endanger you from slipping since they have the tendency to lessen the slip resistance of your shoes and boots. Check if your shoes or boots have loose soles. And finally, always consider how well regular shoes or boots work on other surfaces, so that your foot doesn't get injured by stepping onto something unexpected like glass. You should also include these considerations when conducting a job safety analysis, since every task may involve different types of materials present on any given surface. I hope that helps you in finding the right footwear. Next would be the safety precautions that you must keep in mind. When you see any type of foreign material on the floor like liquid, food, dust, or powders, take immediate action. Warn others or call the attention of the cleaning staff. The reason is that when you step on them, they might reduce friction, causing you or others to slip. Avoid running in the work area. Make sure that you wipe your feet when you see the mats or rugs placed near exterior doorways or passageways. This is to collect moisture from the soles of your shoes or boots, which also reduces friction. Report when you run into a rug or mat which seems to move or slide as you step on it. Be careful on smooth surfaces such as newly waxed floors. And immediately clean up the work area if you happen to see spills like grease or chemicals. Even minor spills can be very dangerous. Just a friendly reminder to be extra cautious and have a slip-free day ahead of you.